Hello viewers, today we will discuss conservation laws. I want to tell you that many of the important conclusions of mechanics can be expressed in the form of conservation theorem, which indicate under what condition various mechanical quantities are constant in time. Let's move on to these conservation theorems one by one. Uh, I want to first tell you that when I am saying that a physical quantity is conserved. By this I mean that it has no time dependence. No time dependence. It has no time dependence. Let's say if we talk about conservation theorem, conservation theorem of linear momentum, which says that if the total force is zero, then P dot is also zero by the Newton's second law, and the linear momentum P is conserved, or you can say it remain constant. Now the angular momentum of a particle about point O is denoted by L. Angular momentum of particle about point O is denoted by L, and it is defined as L is equals to R cross P. See here, this order is important factor, and the moment of force over torque, and torque about that same point O, torque about point O is N is equals to R cross F, and on using Newton's second law, we can also write d by dt R cross d by dt mv. Now this torque can also be represented as d by dt R cross P minus d by dt R cross P. Okay. On solving this, we have dr by dt cross P plus R cross dp by dt, and this one is dr by dt cross P, and these quantity will cancelled out and will remain with this, and this is eventually is equals to this quantity. So from here we can say that we can also write torque as this quantity, and as this quantity can also be again written as N is equals to d by dt R cross P, as dr by dt is V and P is the momentum v. The cross of velocity is equals to 0, so this quantity will be vanish out obviously, so it will remain as R cross P, d by dt R cross P, and this R cross P is nothing but R angular momentum, so torque is equals to dl by dt, or we can say L dot. Note that both N and L depend on the point O about which that the movements are taken. So from here we can conclude that conservation theorem of angular momentum of particle is, if the total torque say N is equals to 0, then L dot is equals to 0, or we can say L remain conserved or constant. In the next lecture we will discuss energy conservation. Thank you.